Welcome to the complete guide on how to make money online for beginners. In this video, we've compiled the best strategies that can help you earn a decent income from the comfort of your home. We'll cover everything from online job opportunities, freelancing, affiliate marketing to selling your skills, and much more. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for earning a living by working from home. In this section, we'll discuss some legitimate online job opportunities that you can explore. Whether you're looking for part-time or full-time work, you'll find plenty of options to suit your needs. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. If you have a skill, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services to clients worldwide. You can find projects on freelance platforms, such as Upwork and Fiverr, or even create your own website to attract clients. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative way to make money online. In this section, we'll explain how it works and how you can get started. Simply put, affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission on every sale made through your referral. There are many affiliate programs to choose from, including Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Finally, you can make money by selling your skills online. For example, if you're a talented writer, you can offer your services as a copywriter, blogger, or ebook author. You can also sell your skills on platforms such as Udemy, where you can create and sell online courses to students worldwide. We hope this guide has helped you understand the different ways to make money online. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with patience, persistence, and hard work, you can create a sustainable source of income from your online endeavors. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your journey.